Hey guys, let's get straight into the steps for how to set up council tax in New Home UK first. Open Google Chrome on your device and search for council tax. From the search results, click on the relevant link to open the council tax page. Once the page loads, scroll down and find the Pay Your Council Tax option, then click on it. You'll now see an option to enter the postcode for your new home. Enter the correct postcode in the provided field. After entering the postcode, click on Find Your Local Council. The website will then use your postcode to identify the local council responsible for your area. Once your council is found, you can continue with the available options to set up or manage your council tax. From there, follow the instructions provided by your local council and enter the required information about your new home when requested. Make sure the details you provide are accurate so your council tax account can be set up correctly. If you're moving into a new property, keep your address and move-in details available, as you may need them during the setup process. And there you have it. You've now found the council responsible for your new home and can continue with the council tax setup. For more step-by-step guides like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.